how long are patients seen post-transplant? I mean, does it go on for as long as they have their kidney transplant?
For basically for the rest of their life.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's full circle again, I guess.
Yes.
When they need another transplant, they
Right.
probably go back into the Kidney Care Clinic, waiting for their new transplant.
So unfortunately, some patients may have to go back on dialysis or may have to get a second kidney if the transplant doesn't work well or starts to
run
fail.
its course. Yes.
Then that's the case that, fortunately, we also do a Kidney Care Clinic here, combined clinic here. So if patient needs dialysis, then I also help the transition into dialysis therapy. And then if they need a second transplant, then I also start working on the second transplant referral.
Can you talk about how many patients you serve here at the clinic on an annual basis?
We usually see about 14 patients a day. When patients are fresh out of transplant, and we see them very often, maybe every 2 or every 3 weeks. And then once they pass maybe 3 years after transplant, then we might see the patients every 4 or every 6 months. But the first year, we see them pretty closely, every 2 weeks or once a month.
I'm sure you get to know these people.
Yes. And then even though our transplant clinic here in Nanaimo is pretty new, we opened in 2015, but I was also working as a kidney care nurse. And then before that, I was working as a dialysis nurse. Okay. So lots of the patients who had a transplant, I've known them for many, many years. And then, of course, after
because they've gone through every stage with you, right?
Yes.
Well, Kiyomi, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you today. I have learned so much here about what happens at the Kidney Care and Transplant Clinic here in Nanaimo. So thanks for your time.